Hi, I'm Jerome in Boise, Idaho. I'm a small business coach. I practice what I preach. Not only do I help people start businesses, but I also have a wonderful side business ourselves. And that's what I want to chat with you about because if you are 30, 40, 50, and you are looking for more income, you are at the right place. And if you're 60, 70, 80, and you need more income for retirement, for grandkids, for playing, for travel, all those kinds of things, I have the perfect business no matter what your age. And that business is in digital products. Why digital products? Because when you think about Adobe, when you think about Google Docs, Apple, Google, and Audible, they are all selling billions and billions of dollars a month in digital products. And our business puts you in that business. So down below, you'll see my calendar. Jump on, pick a time that's convenient for you. Let's have a 15, 20-minute discussion. I can tell you about our business. You can tell me what you're looking for. I can show you my income. I can show you everything here. We made $2,700 our first week. In the last few months, we've made over $33,000. This is a true business. It's remote. It has what I call the 3 R's. One, it's remote. Two, it's reliable. And three, it is recurring. So down below, grab a calendar date. And so appreciate you taking the time and the energy to book a meeting, a short meeting with me, because if you don't believe it, you will. And that is a small business, a business of your own is the only path to true wealth. I'll see you in a little bit.